Okay, basic introduction to our Cyclops Canbus alarm. Units fitted in the car. That's the LED showing us arm and disarm. This is the app that operates the alarm. So first thing, you'll scan. It'll find the unit in the car and we connect to it. And here it's going to give us our vehicle ID. It's going to give us the version of our firmware, and it's going to give us the latest version available. If the version in the alarm is not up to date, you can update through the app. This is where you set your vehicle code, so the manufacturer and the code. Every vehicle has a different code. You simply change it here, save it, and it'll save that vehicle. As far as features go, we've got configure. We can configure all our inputs and outputs here. We can configure our outputs. Functionality here, we can turn arm and disarm flashes on and off. We can turn arm and disarm chirps on and off. Also have all these features here. You can set the auto rearm. The alarm will actually allow you to lock the vehicle while driving, and you can set the speed for that. Other functionality, verification. We have a tool built in that will actually show us, for example, Glenn, can you open the driver's door? There's our front driver's door, close it. Right, that's showing us what we're seeing on the Canbus. That's our verification tool built in. We've also got CAN data that actually shows us live CAN data. Diagnostics will give us the triggers that cause the alarm to trigger. That's holding the memory. You can change your PIN. You can program remotes. Now we've actually got, at this stage, our Cyclops remote is programmed to this alarm. So this remote will actually arm and disarm the alarm, as well as arm and disarm through the remote. You can add remotes. You can clear the memory here, and you can add remotes through the scan feature, pick up the frequency, store the remote into the alarm. Register the alarm is an email system where you register the alarm with us for your warranty. And then we've got Bluetooth. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to disconnect the Bluetooth, right? And I'm just going to show you from our Cyclops remote. You can arm and you can disarm the alarm. You can see we've got our arm and disarm chirps enabled. And disarm. Arm from the factory remote. Disarm from the factory remote. I'm just going to show you here now. If I go to Bluetooth, scan, connect to the unit. There's the connection. I'll just go into configuration, functionality. I'm going to turn the arm and the disarm chirps off. Then I disconnect from the Bluetooth. And now when we arm and disarm, we've simply got the beeps from the factory system, and we've got no confirmation from the alarm. So we've turned the arm and the disarm chirps off. We'll show the toolbox. We have a toolbox sensor connected to the alarm. So if I arm the system, it takes about 5 seconds for the system to fully arm. So this blue LED will start flashing. That's armed. And we have Glenn in the back there who's going to open the toolbox. And hopefully we'll have the alarm trigger.